This is Leena Khandekar, founder and director of International Lee's Beauty and Spa Institute. As you all know, I am coming up with a series of interviews with beauty industry experts, and reason behind this is to understand the latest trends, career opportunities in beauty, hair, makeup, nail, and spa field. So I would like to begin with my today's interview with a very well-known personality from beauty and wellness industry is Ms. Kiran Bawa. Thank you so much, Kiran ji, for this interview today, and we are really glad to have you with us today.
A very good afternoon to you, Leena, and thank you for your kind words. How nice they sounded. I mean, I'm not a well-known personality. I'm a struggling entrepreneur who started my business 13 years back, and I am learning every day, making my mistakes and learning from my mistakes. So of course, on that note, I'd like to say hello to everybody, and I hope all of you are doing well during these challenging times where we all are anxious and we don't know next day what is the next day and the next news and what's going to happen next to my business, where I have taken so many years, given so much time, my blood, money, time from our children, our family. We've given to build up this business of ours, and will it sustain, or am I going to see it, falling like a house of cards right near me? Yeah. So hope so that doesn't happen, and the government supports us.
Yeah, that's true, Kiranji. And you are a well-known personality for all of us, because we really want to understand. After your introduction, I am really coming to that point, and we really want to understand your journey, how you have started, and what all challenges you have faced. So I really would like to introduce Kiranji to you all. Kiran Bawa is a founder and managing director of IOSIS Wellness and has been a pioneer in nurturing the growth and the future of beauty and wellness industry in India. Kiran has certifications in cosmetology and wellness from London. She has completed Spas Desco. She initially spent 2 years into R&D in this industry and complemented it with attending seminars, conferences and exhibitions, especially in the spa hubs of the world, Singapore and Malaysia, before starting IOSIS. Being the director of Bawa Hospitality Group, she has gained hands-on experience in hospitality industry, and with full support of her family, she has established highest standard via IOSIS in beauty and wellness industry, winning several awards in the process, and it is her life ambition to take the wellness services to all India and beyond. She had the vision to start her first wellness spa outlet in Andheri in 2008. With her absolute passion and devotion, IOSIS Wellness has grown from strength to strength, with reaching 10 centers across 5 cities today, and is slated to add many more in near future. That's superb, Kiranji. So to grow in career, one must be very focused and passionate, and this is what we can see through going through your profile.
Honestly, Leena, you took me back through the introduction. You took me back through, I was like visualizing and going through the journey, like what all happened in these years. While you were introducing, there were so many visuals going on in my mind that, oh yeah, this happened. Oh, I was in the hotels and I was with my own company, parent company, and doing marketing, and there was so many things happened, and how time just flies by, and we grow with time and learn so much with time.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I really would like to begin this interview with my first question. We really would like to know about your journey and what all challenges you really have faced in this many years.
So, of course, I come from a very blessed background. Bawa Hospitality, Bawa Group of companies. We're into hotels and real estate. And I used to handle complete marketing and promotions of my parent company. Well, but somewhere I did not get an inner calling that do I belong to what I am doing? I felt I wanted to do something for myself, something where as a single parent at that time, I had gone through a divorce, and single parent, I wanted to set an example to my daughter that your mom is standing here today. I have done something. Even I did not imagine that I want to open too many centers and but whatever I want to do it passionately. And I want to make sure whoever comes to Iosis is happy, feels like I have come back to my home. They shouldn't feel I've come to a salon or a spa. They should feel that we belong here. We belong to Iosis. Iosis is ours. So even if you actually meet a lot of our celebrity guests, in fact, Shilpa Shetty was one of my first celebrity. She's a friend also, but as a celebrity guest, she was there at Iosis, and when she entered, she says, "Kiran, you feel the warmth in this place. You feel that you've come home." So that's how it started. I wanted to do something of my own. Now, before I would suggest or give, I'm nobody to guide anyone, but I would like to tell every entrepreneur, it's important to understand whatever you want to start, like your business. So if you want to start a makeup academy, you want to start any other academy, you want to start a salon, a spa, whatever, you need to first plan your business. I made a lot of mistakes. I accept that. I had the opportunity to make those mistakes and learn and fall back and learn. But it should be planned very well when you start. So from your finances to your capital to till the time you break even, how your look of your center should be, what are the products you should be giving in, what's your staff training like, who's going to train your staff, are you going to train your staff, are you trained enough to train your staff? All these things, put it down on a paper. You need to write. You need to mention all this. If you take me back 13 years where I started, I would do that once again. I would still relearn my business. And I'm glad, let me tell you, Leena, these 2 months have been a great opportunity for me. I did relearn my business. I studied my business again. I wanted to understand what we all make mistakes. There's nothing to, go back on or hide from. I did write down what all I should do now to improve my business. What all can I do, because beauty industry is massive. There are so many opportunities. You just don't have to open a spa salon. So much to do. We have not even touched, we've still not seen the actual beauty industry. It's beautiful. Yeah. And going back to start with a lot of conscience. Yeah. And that's where I made few mistakes before. When I started my first center in Andheri. Yeah. And it was a complete, I always believed in, Leena, that it's important to heal your clients first, relax them. Beauty, that's when you talk about beauty, is your skin looking beautiful or you losing weight, is all state of mind. Right? So it is important to make your guest feel that harmony. When they enter a place, they should feel like, wow, I am relaxed. Now, when you're relaxed, everything falls in place. So I believed in making a spa, salon, a beauty center completely under a place where you feel that, wow, when I'm entering in, I'm completely enjoying this journey. When you're enjoying the journey, you will automatically lose weight. You will automatically want to groom more. Your skin will look better. That's what all the doctors say. Relax karo aur aap sundar dikhoge. In fact, a lot of my mentors, when I started, Leena, they said, Kiran, you've really raised the benchmark, Yeah. Our places used to look like a clinic. Now we have to do that lush interiors. Yeah. Because standalone spa, Leena, in 2008 was not a respectable business to be in. Yes. I had a lot of challenges when I started. Even my father was like, how can you start a spa business or a salon? Tu baal katwaegi, and things like ye to Thailand mein hota hai, you understand?
Yeah.
Everybody doesn't take massage as a respectable business. Correct. So I did face these challenges, and I had to explain everything to them, that why I want to start this business. So nevertheless, they supported me. I really wish every father supports their daughters the way my father has supported me, thick and thin. And I started Andheri Lokhandwala with a spa, salon, slimming center, skin treatments, dermat treatments. We had everything under one roof. And trust me, the day my center completed, we had gone wrong with the interiors. I have literally, there was some interior floors where there was dust in the center because of the flooring.
Yeah.
I have literally taken a broom and done the cleaning of my center.
Wow.
So, that passion is because let us start today. We have to start on the 11th of October. Yeah. It was 2008. And I said, Sangeeta, my manager, we have to start. Let's take the broom, let's clean our center and let's welcome the guests. And no looking back from there.
Correct.
It was beautiful. That day was lovely when I started.
Yeah, that's wonderful, and we must congratulate you on all your achievements and the dedication and passion. That's how you are so successful, and that's the mantra, that's the key of success. I think one has to be very passionate towards their goals, and we must try, never ever get discouraged and demotivated. Just keep doing. Challenges are everywhere, everyone is facing, and Kiranji, you really have explained this to us properly, and we must say that it's a hard work what pays you. My next question to you is, according to you, what is the importance of beauty and wellness?
Okay, for me, wellness is a term which we have so much under wellness. It's an umbrella. Under the umbrella, you have fitness, you have well-being, you have Ayurveda, you have massages, you have salon treatments, beauty treatments, so much.
Yeah.
For me, wellness and beauty is what is within. Yeah. You have to feel peaceful within. You have to relax within, feel healthy. And trust me, automatically, it will reflect in your personality, your skin, your body. It is what is within is going to reflect out there. If you're putting on weight, there is something which is troubling you.
Yeah.
It's not that you're good or bad and anyone can judge you. Nobody can body shame you. Okay. But there is something within. We need to figure that struggle. We need to talk to that struggle, that it needs to calm down. So wellness for me is well-being within. And then after that comes the well-being of yourself. Looking after your skin, looking after your hair, looking after your body, being happy. A good haircut. Now, literally, Leena, I think everybody is waiting for a good haircut.
Yes.
And I want to tell everyone, please do not go and take your haircut. Yeah. Let your hair grow. Correct. So that you can go for a complete makeover, a COVID makeover when you go back.
That's true.
We are promoting a COVID makeover package now.
Wow, that's lovely.
That's what I was it's wellness is all about well-being within, and look after yourself, be happy, and it will reflect in your complete personality. Give yourself time, even after once you're back into routine, after hopefully we have a vaccine. I would say the routine will only come back once we have a vaccine.
Absolutely.
Give yourself time. Please understand these 2 months have given us enough, or 3 months maybe, will give us more space to understand that it's important to give yourself a lot of time.
Yeah, that's wonderful. And one must give time to yourself, and beauty is always within, and it will definitely reflect on your skin and on your hair, and one must take care
Absolutely.
of it. Yeah, it's
Absolutely.
God has gifted us, so we have to take care of it. Thank you.
We have to respect that.
Yes, thank you so much for this answer. And what are the beauty career opportunities do you see, Kiranji, if someone wants to take this field as a career?
So let me talk about from my experience, and I emphasize a lot on this, the time what I've got with myself.
Yeah.
Beauty, the industry in itself is massive. We have not even still touched the beauty industry. There is so much. I feel more options which have come in your options in threading, options in the eyebrows, eyelashes. There is nails. There is so many other options. There's so much in makeup, especially in Bollywood. There's so much in makeup and hair one can do. And trust me, you can do very well as an entrepreneur yourself if you train yourself with hair, makeup, and nails. Yeah. You don't have to open a beauty center for that all the way. You can do it yourself, and there's so much you can do. Yeah. And I would suggest to a lot of people to get themselves trained now that they have time. Get yourself trained with, you have so many do-it-yourself videos going all out there. Our industry is supporting. I have seen so many webinars happening on Facebook. There's so much to learn on hair and beauty and makeup. There's so much information all out. I don't think so one has to even go to an institute anymore. The social media platform is teaching you so much. Like, I have tried my eye makeup with one of our mentors who's been training on probably on Facebook, and I've done my eye makeup looking at what she's taught me. And I love doing makeup. And you know, if someone has to tell me that with Iosis, what else would you want to start now? I would say a complete training school.
Wow, that's beautiful.
So yeah, so it is, you can diverse, you can, you know, there are so many options in this industry. You don't have to get stuck to one thing. Don't think that if someone has opened 1 to 100 centers, you need to do the same. No. Just grow and do what you like. Do what you like passionately. Success will come, and with success will come money. So that's nothing to worry.
Yeah, that's true. That's very well said. And one must take first courses or maybe train yourself. As Kiranji has rightly mentioned, there are so many things happening on social media. Please first train yourself and get trained, get certified, or maybe there are various career opportunity in beauty and wellness sector. And my next question, what do you think, how to overcome these challenges post lockdown? Because many of us are going to face many challenges.
Absolutely. Yes.
So how to overcome those challenges?
Keep smiling.
Yeah.
Pray. Believe in yourself. Do not get upset with situations which you're going to face, because we are going to face. We all have to believe that we are together in this. So now when you believe that you're together in this is the same story you will carry forward, or the same energy you will carry forward to every person you meet in the pathway. Your landlord, your vendors, your staff, each and every person, whoever you're going to meet, where you're facing an issue, your bank loans, everybody, you need to request. We have to create certain harmony around us. You know, with time, we all have become a machine. We actually have lost the sensitive side of us, where people used to respect each other, work for each other, share ideas. I see something happening now. There is a change with all of us. We have started respecting each other, but I hope we don't lose that essence. We have to hold to that, because this will take a little time to recover. It's going to at least take us 1 year to get back to normal, and we will get back to normal. We will bounce back, and we will do fantabulous business. We all are going to grow. India will grow. But yes, this is the time for we Indians to get back to our basics, where our Dada, Dadi and Nana, Nani used to love each other. Friends used to support each other. This is the time to support each other. Wherever you move forward, be a little courteous. Don't expect too much at this time. You know that your business is suddenly going to increase, start putting pressure on your staff. All that is not going to happen. You will have to be very supportive to each and every human whom you're going to meet, you're going to touch during these times ahead. So be very compassionate. Don't forget about the dent on your balance sheet. That is going to happen. खर्चे कम करो. खर्चे कम करने का वक्त है. So उस dent को भूल जाइए और खर्चे को कम कर दीजिए. सबको request करिए that this is the time I need your support. Tell your landlord, अपने landlord को बोलिए, अपने staff को बोलिए, जो भी आपके इर्द गिर्द है उनको request करिए कि मुझे अपने business को बंद नहीं करना, मेरे पास इस वक्त कोई काम नहीं है, मुझे वक्त के साथ आपकी support चाहिए. I will need your support to grow back on my feet. Don't let me fall apart. So I think that compassion, that support will work for everyone.
That's superb. And I know that if someone behaves like this, as you said, it's a fantastic advice what you have given. First of all, smile. Don't get scared with the situation. Just build your confidence and be close to your friends and family. That's the biggest support for you in this.
Talk to everybody. Don't get scared. Don't be scared that my business might shut down. Don't get anxious. Don't feel negative. Talk to your people. Take their advice. What can I do? Talk to people whom your landlords or your staff. Talk to them. Don't be hesitant. That what are they going? Maximum they will tell you, no, I can't. Again, request. Talk. I mean, you need to vent it out. Don't let those feelings be within, because those feelings, if kept within, could be negative. They'll take you into a negative zone. You don't want to get there. Be positive and move forward.
That's true. And thank you so much. I'm sure that people will surely get a big confidence in this.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you. What advice would you like to give it to everyone watching this video?
Don't let the child in you die.
Oh.
Always remember one thing, that the day you gave your first interview, the day you wore your first jacket, the jacket, the day you went to school, your first pencil, or when school started, we used to buy the pencil box. We used to be so excited, happy. Keep that euphoria going. Be there. Be in that state of mind. You have to feel that every day I go to work, this is my first day of my job. You have to prove your best. You have to do your best. Don't get complacent, because this is not the time to get complacent. I know we have got guidelines from the beauty industry. We have got guidelines from the hotel industry, from the aviation industry. First 5 days we might wear all the masks and we are guarded, like first day of school. But the 10th day, we might take things easy. Remember that the enemy is still around us. So don't take things easy. This is not the time to take things easy. Keep yourself going like the first day of school, the first day at job. Because we cannot let our customers suffer because of our negligence. So be very conscious. Do not take things easy.
That's super.
And keep smiling and be positive.
Yes.
And social distancing.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And everyone, please follow this, because this is really important for us, for our safety, our staff safety, as well as very important is our client's safety. And please follow
absolutely
actions. Thank you so much, Kiranji. And
thank you so much, Lena.
Yeah. Before ending our interview, we always have one quick rapid fire round. So can I start?
Shoot.
Okay. So what's the best piece advice you have received from anyone in these days?
From my mom.
Okay.
And whenever I have been anxious and I wake up when I watch the news and I tell her, Mom, will my business shut down? I have given so many years, not giving my daughter time at these 13 years, her growing period. Will my business shut down? She only told me one thing: sit back, meditate for 20 minutes, say your prayers, the universe will help you.
Wow.
The universe has given us a message through COVID. Now the universe will help us to even overcome this. So be grounded, be connected with everybody, spread love and happiness, but don't get boggled. This will pass.
Wow, that's super. Lots of love to her.
Thank you.
Do you have any pets, Kiranji, at home?
I have 4 my nieces and nephews, and I think they are my little pets.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's good.
And they go, yep. Right now they're standing outside the door waiting. When will this interview get over? And we get into Bua's room and go on all over me. And what have you cooked and what have you done?
Oh, that's super. So what is the best advantage to being really tall, according to you?
जिसकी बीवी लंबी उसका नजरिया वो दूर से दुनिया देख सकती है, मतलब पूरी दुनिया देख सकती है ना? By the way, मैं 5'2", तो मैं लंबी नहीं हूँ.
Super, that's a wonderful answer. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
10 minutes.
That's super. That's the benefit of
this makeup, everything.
However,
So my hair, the way I have done it right now, with like washing and just drying up, takes around 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
And I don't do a blow dry. Luckily, I have straight hair. And my makeup, maximum 5 to 7 minutes. Complete eye makeup, everything.
Wonderful. That's superb. I must say I really had a fun in this rapid fire with you. And thank you.
Me too, Leena. This was fun.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Kiranji, for guiding us on each aspect. And we really would like to say thank you once again for being with us today. And thank you, everyone. You all are awesome. Stay home, stay safe. If you have any questions, you can always write us. And please don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.